Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to invest with Moomoo, a popular trading platform that offers a wide range of investment products and tools. To get started, you will need to download the Moomoo app and create an account. This process typically takes a few minutes and requires you to provide some basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it with money to start investing. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or other financial institutions. It is essential to note that Moomoo offers various payment methods, including wire transfers, ACH transfers, and other online payment options. After funding your account, you can start exploring the various investment products offered by Moomoo, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. The platform provides real-time market data, news, and analysis to help you make informed investment decisions. You can browse through the different asset classes, view market trends, and read research reports to find the investment opportunities that best fit your goals and risk tolerance. To place a trade, simply select the investment product you want to buy or sell, enter the quantity, and choose your order type, such as market order or limit order. Moomoo also offers advanced order types, including stop-loss orders and take-profit orders, which can help you manage your risk and maximize your returns. In addition to its user-friendly trading platform, Moomoo offers a range of tools and features to help you improve your investment skills and stay up to date with market developments. These include interactive charts, technical indicators, and a paper trading simulator that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. To get the most out of Moomoo, it is crucial to develop a solid investment strategy and stick to it. This includes setting clear financial goals, assessing your risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. You should also regularly review your investment portfolio and rebalance it as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives. By following these steps and using the tools and features offered by Moomoo, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your own research, stay informed, and be patient and disciplined in your investment approach. With Moomoo, you have access to a powerful trading platform and a wide range of investment products, making it easier to succeed in the world of investing.